We have 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. So these 3 points are collinear. Then we need to find out the value of the given expression. So let us begin. Now we know that if 3 points are collinear, there is a condition. The condition being that the absolute value of x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 added to x3 times y1 minus y2, that's equals to 0. Now what we'll do, we'll divide both sides with, we're going to divide both sides with the absolute value of x1, x2, x3. We are going to do that to the right hand side as well, x1, x2, x3. Now this is simply equals to x1 multiplied to y2 minus y3 divided by x1, x2, x3. For the second term, we have x2 multiplied to y3 minus y1 divided by x1, x2, x3. And then we have x3 multiplied to y1 minus y2 divided by x1, x2, x3. So this will be equals to 0. Now we can factor out x1 from the numerator and the denominator for the first term. For the second term we can factor out x2, and for the third term we can factor out x3. Now when we rewrite this, now we have the absolute value of y2 minus y3 divided by x2 times x3 plus y2 minus y1 divided by x3 times x1 added to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 times x2, that's equals to 0. Now we can get rid of the absolute value and rewrite the terms to get y1 minus y2 divided by x1 times x2 added to y2 minus y3 divided by x2 times x3 plus we have y3 minus y1 divided by x3 times x1, and this comes out to be equals to 0, and this is the value of the required expression.